Breaking out for Toler, I got two 2013-14 select basketballs. Thanks for the order, Toler. Let's see what we got. Auto right here, 12/25 auto Brandon Bass for the Celtics. Brandon Bass, 12/25. Rookie Len and Ariza. /60, Paul George jersey swatch for the Pacers. /60 select swatches. Anthony Bennett rookie and Chandler Parsons. Auto right here, Udonis Haslem, franchise signatures. Glenn Rice Jr., Kenneth Faried. Davis, Presley, and Jefferson. Kevin Durant, clutch card, 11/99 KD. Rookie Goodwin and Dirk. So much. Lopez, Perkins, PG. 38/49 Penny Hardaway jersey swatch for Orlando. 38/49. Walters and Deron Williams. Like I said, guys, get those group breaks filled today. We got Immaculate. I added a second spot or case of Supreme Baseball. I don't know. We'll see. Rondo. Maybe he's got the best. Yeah, those would go for a lot, man. Luol Deng. I don't know. Maybe they did load one mini box. Rookie Zeller. Rookie Oladipo. DeAndre Jordan. Harrison Barnes. 11/49. CJ McCollum. 54/60. Oh, nice. Jersey swatch rookie card auto. CJ McCollum. MCW Chris Humphries. Rookie select Rudy Gobert. Peyton Siva and Pekovic. Yep. Sky High Kevin Durant. Oh, no number. Oh, yeah, here. 4/5 KD. I thought so. 4/5 KD. Ontich and Waiters. Caron Butler jersey swatch. Davies and JaVale McGee. Pretty nice box right there. Let's go to box number 2. Something 55 a box. $54.95 a box. Rookie Porter and Nelson. $7.99. Steve Mix. Select jersey swatch auto. Steve Mix. Gobert and Connolly. For the Nets, Walter Berry jersey swatch. Yeah, I have no idea. I thought maybe you would know. Tyler Hansborough, 19/99. Rookie card, Dave Tom and Klay Thompson. Red Hot Monta Ellis. Oh, that would be numbered. Len and Cousins. Redemption. Ooh, jerseys, autographs, Prisms Purple, Steph Curry. That's going to be a nice one. Prisms Purple, Steph Curry. Kara 7 Hill. Rookie Giannis. There are a few Russ wild cards in there. Gorgin Yang, rookie, 44/99. Rookie Macklemore and Redick. For the Nuggets, Alex English, rookie Tony Mitchell, and Gerald Henderson. All right, guys, let me see what I got. Yeah, that's all it is.